Hello, everybody. This is Turjo from To Fluency with Turjo. Recently, I changed my YouTube channel's name from English Foundation to Fluency with Turjo because of its availability. Some of my friends are finding problems to search that name. So, anyway, this lesson is about introduction of yourself, formal introduction yourself. So, I managed to gather some steps for you guys. So, let's see those steps. So, hope you can see my screen. It's visible now. So, suppose you are in a situation that you have to tell about yourself formally. Then you can start by telling your name that like my name is Abdul Karim, or I am Abdul Karim, or my full name is Abdul Karim. So then you can say about your location. Where are you from? Where are you living at right now? Like I'm from Chittagong, I'm from Mumbai, I'm from Delhi, I'm from Paris. You can mention your location. Where are you from? Then you can tell about your job that I already mentioned in the third point, telling about your job, telling about where are you working right now, or what is your job. If you are a student, it's you can simply say that I am a student of BA honors at USDC. That means you will say where are you, what is your study field and where it is. Or if you are okay with telling about your age, you are open to tell about your age. Then you can say I'm 20 years young BA student, or I'm 25 years MA students, master students, or engineering student. Or if you are a professional person, you can say I'm a doctor, I'm a teacher, I'm a banker, and then you can, in number four steps, I already mentioned why you choose that job. If you are suppose you are a teacher, then you can say I'm very much passionate about teaching. So then in the next line you can say I teach students effectively in the class. In the number five line, I already mentioned that. So point number three to five, telling about your job, or telling why you are doing that job. So suppose you are saying that I'm a cricketer. Then you can say my passion is cricket. I play for that club. I play for my state club. I live in Chittagong, so I play for my state. Or suppose you say I'm a banker. I'm passionate about marketing. So I work for marketing department at ABC company or ABC bank. Then in the number six steps, I mentioned about your skills. You can say about your skill, like I have skillful knowledge about MS Word and Excel. I'm confident about JavaScript, coding, editing, video, graphic designing, and also public speaking. So whatever skills you have, you can clearly mention that. It's okay if you are if you have only skill, or have just if you just have public speaking skill, or you can say suppose you only have a computer basic skill, then you can say I have skillful knowledge about MS Word, Excel, and how to drive computer. So I'm able to do that. Then you can mention about your personality, like I'm a friendly nature person. I'm a friendly nature person. Then you can clearly say about your hobbies, like my hobby is making video. Or if you have multiple hobbies, you can mention all of them. So it's telling about your personality, what kind of things you are doing right now, from what side, or in what side you are investing your time. So if you're saying about your personality, you can say I'm a friendly nature person, I help poor peoples, my hobby is helping others, my hobby is donating people. I already donate for that company, or that institutions, you can say. Then you can say I enjoy my everyday life. then you can say about your daily activities, what kind of things you are doing right now. And my hobby is in making videos, freelancing, or gardening. So it's a very much enjoyable things to say. I enjoy my everyday life. I'm always ready to accept challenges and help others. So let's see how it will look like if I choose some of the lines from here in a formal situation. So let's start. So suppose I'm in a situation where I have to introduce myself formally, or I'm in an interview section. So let's start. Uh, my full name is Abdul Karim. I'm from Chittagong. I'm a student of BA Honors at USDC. I'm very much passionate about teaching. In my future life, I want to become a teacher. I also teach students in my private tuition. I also run YouTube channel to help people out. I also have skillful knowledge about MS Word and Excel. And also I'm confident about public speaking. I'm a friendly nature person. My hobby is making videos. I enjoy my everyday life. I always try to help people. I'm always ready to accept challenges and help others. Thank you. Or suppose you are in a Viva exam and you are introducing yourself to your teacher. So you can start from here directly. Like, I'm very much passionate about teaching. I want to become a teacher in future. I teach students effectively in my tuition classes. I run YouTube channel to help people out. I have skillful knowledge about MS Word and Excel, and I'm very much confident about public speaking. As a person, I'm a friendly nature person. Whenever I get the opportunity to help people, I try to make it work. My hobby is making videos, reading books, and I enjoy my life. I fully enjoy my everyday life. I always ready to accept challenges and help others. Thank you.